Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share um, memory decks cards or Rolodex cards for Wilma's favorite crafts here on YouTube. She's new to the community. She's new to YouTube, and I found out her channel through Carolina Bug here on YouTube, and she made two Rolodex cards as well. So, so Wilma wanted two memory decks, one travel theme and one summer theme. And let me share what I created. I've done this video like 5 times. I kept showing my information every time I flipped the back, and it's so funny. Anyway, so it's a 4x4 Rolodex card, and you could do it any size, I'm sure. And then I punched out these two holes with my Heidi Swap punch. I added some paper, and that paper is an old pink paisley paper called Atlas. And I thought this paper was perfect for the theme. And then I rummaged through all my ephemera, and I added a few pieces and some twine. And then also I added some clear back stickers, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And I love this. Sticker set. I wish I had more of this because I love the clear, because you can still see the background paper. I think it just adds. I inked the edges. I rounded the corners with my new corner rounder. This is the one that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And then on the back, I added my information. I added 2 more stickers here, and I inked the edges on this side as well. So a really cute little travel Rolodex card. Then my beach theme is this one. It's a little bit bigger. It's still on a 4x4 card. And then this paper, this paper here, I'll show you. It was a whole 12 by 12 of all these little pieces. And then the back is like that. And then this one says play. This one says swim. And here's another bathing suit. I love these bathing suits. This says sun. Here's another bathing suit. And what do you call it? Swim bottom for men. This one says beach. This one says fun. Oh, look at this one. I like that one. That one's really cute. And there's just a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of, ooh, I like this one too. This one says sand. This is another one. And all I did was I cut it down because there was one whole sheet of 12 by 12 paper. And that was, it was a Webster's Pages Palm Beach skinny dipping. That's the other side of the paper pad. And I just thought it was so adorable. So I picked Splash and Relax. And I love this blue bathing suit. It goes with the background and also with the flowers that I picked out. So I just layered it up. This paper here, if you look on the back, it has these beach, I don't know what you call it, life preservers, or, you know, those things that they throw in the water to save people. So that came from this set, this Webster Pages here from Clean and Simple Palm Beach, Life's a Beach. And I saw that and I was like, oh my gosh, I have these die cuts. And I have them here. So a bunch of, I think my sister sent me some, and then some people from Hawaii have sent me some flowers from this place called Island Scrapbooking, and it says it's made in Hawaii. So I have a whole bunch of them that I need to use, really do. And this was the perfect project to use it. And here's the Life is a Beach. Oh, here's another small little one. I have several. Several packs of that. I have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and then I have some more flowers. And I thought this was a perfect time to start using these up. I don't even know if they're still in Hawaii. I haven't gone back in years, so I wanted to use some of that on my memory decks, which I'm so glad. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this some other time. So this is one of the pieces, these flowers. This is Life's a Beach. Here's another piece. This on the background that looks like netting, it came from the Dollar Tree. And this is the beige color, because there was white, cream, and I think in this color. You would think this would be cream, but it's white. Oh, white. Yeah, here. I have it here. So this color, the white, this is cream, and then I guess this is like sand. So they came in like separate, I mean, obviously. And I loved it because it looks like net, like a fishing net. So I added that in the background. This is just flower bling from my stash. And then on the back, I added more of that netting and this big flower, and then some pink bling. I love pink. So that is my 2 memory decks cards for Wilma. I hope she likes them. I'm going to mail them out either today or tomorrow. And yeah, so go check her out. I'll have her channel down below. And thanks for everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.